Samsung might have just slipped up. Or maybe this was completely intentional, because buried inside a recent Samsung survey are images that don't look like any Galaxy Z Fold we've seen before. And if these renders are even remotely close to what Samsung is cooking, the next generation of foldables could be very different from the tall, narrow fold design we've gotten used to. Instead of unfolding into something that still feels like a stretched phone, this new foldable opens up into something much closer to a tablet. Think less Galaxy Z Fold 7, more compact iPad energy. When it's open, it looks wider and more balanced. And when it's closed, it doesn't really pretend to be a normal smartphone anymore. It's short, chunky, and clearly designed around the idea that unfolding is the main event. That alone is interesting, but here's where it gets more strategic. Samsung isn't just planning a Fold 7 successor. The rumors suggest they're preparing a second book-style foldable next year, sitting alongside the regular Fold lineup. A wider model with a completely different philosophy aimed at people who never quite loved the current Fold shape. And those survey images? They don't match the Fold 7 at all? Earlier leaks pointed to a more square inner display, but what we're seeing here looks more like an iPad mini that just happens to fold in half. Wider horizontally, shorter vertically, and far more comfortable for things like videos, multitasking, and reading. Interestingly, it also lines up closely with the direction Google took with its latest Pixel Fold, which already ditched the tall and skinny approach. And then there's the Apple factor. Apple's first foldable iPhone is expected to arrive soon, and everything we've heard suggests it'll also go for a short, wide, tablet-like design. So if Samsung really is testing this new form factor right now, it's not hard to see why. This could be Samsung making sure it's ready before Apple even enters the foldable conversation. Of course, this is still a survey. These images don't confirm anything. Samsung could be testing reactions, exploring ideas, or simply throwing concept designs out there to see what sticks. But one thing does feel pretty clear. Samsung knows the current Fold design isn't for everyone, and they're actively looking for alternatives. So next year, we may not just be choosing between a Fold and a Flip. We could be choosing between two very different ideas of what a foldable phone should be, and honestly, that might be the most exciting part of all. What do you think about this wider iPad-style fold? Is this the direction Samsung should go, or do you prefer the current tall fold design? Let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.